The CGear barrier mat has been tested in controlled conditions using an open-air wind tunnel to simulate environmental conditions where sand, dust and dirt abatement are paramount, and to demonstrate the barrier mat's unique qualities. A 25 horsepower electric gimbal wind machine was used in these tests. These fans are used in films to simulate windstorms and can simulate dust and sandstorms up to 150 kilometers per hour. The mat was fitted to the front of the wind tunnel to simulate how it worked as a barrier mat to cut down sand drifts. The sand used in the demonstration was kiln dried and was of a medium to fine grade. The sand was deposited into the tunnel and the wind machine dispersed the sand evenly towards the mat. Commonly for sand drifts to occur, the wind velocity needs to be between 17 to 30 kilometers per hour or 9 to 17 knots, or approximately Beaufort wind scale 4, dependent on the grade of the sand. The wind machine was set for these conditions. We used close-up high-speed photography, which demonstrated how the CGear barrier mat allowed the wind to pass through the synthetic meshing, but stopped 80 to 90% of the sand from passing through. The sand that passed through the barrier mat only travelled an approximate distance of 1.4 metres. We increased wind velocity to Beaufort wind scale 6 and conducted the experiment again at 40 kilometers per hour or 21.2 knots. We increased the wind velocity once more and conducted the experiment at Beaufort wind scale 8, which is considered gale force. The wind machine was set for 65 kilometers per hour or 34.9 knots. At these extreme conditions, the CGear barrier mat still held back between 80 to 90% of sand and dust. The secret is the multi-layers of synthetic meshing with a unique open weave design, which traps dust and sand. The fabric uses ripstop technology, so it won't tear or fray, is impervious to petrochemicals, and is UV stabilized. The unique properties in CGear's internationally patented synthetic meshing systems ensures their products will continue to be at the cutting edge of this unique technology. CGear, innovation in synthetic meshing systems.